Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to schedule a meeting on the Zoom website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device, and after that you should tap on this My Account button in the upper right corner of the screen. Then go to this left side column, tap on Profile in the Personal section, tap on Meetings in the Personal section, and after that click on Schedule a Meeting in the middle of the screen. So here you should add the topic of the meeting into this bar. You can add the description if you feel like to do so. And after adding the description, you can set the date when it is due, set the time, PM or AM, and then you can also set the duration of the meeting. The time zone can be selected. You can select whether you would like to generate your meeting ID automatically or use your personal meeting ID. Here you can see the passcode, and you can set up a waiting room, meaning that only those users that you have already admitted by you or by the host can join your meeting. Here you can set up the host and the participant video, and you have other options here, so such as allow participants to join anytime, mute participants upon entry, automatically record a meeting, or approve or block entry to users from specific regions or countries. So if you want to turn on any of these options, just tap on the relevant one, and if you are done, click on the save button to save your meeting. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.